Wait, I don't pass. Oh yeah, go was saying, come. It's like it's okay like this, Abby. Oh yeah, it's me. Thank you. Shaggi. He get one boy where they live for Mushin Losha. His name na Shaggi, they walk he kakaraka. But he get the madness where they put him for palava. If he see Shaggi, make he jump back. Shaggi na tailor, Shaggi na carpenter. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi na husband, Shaggi na driver. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi na trouble, Shaggi no take. Shaggi Palava.
Some comment. Asuwa.
Wait me this one now.
No, sorry. Good morning.
Wait me your time.
Okay, I don't need time. I don't get time, but quarter after 5 in past 5.
And that one a good morning.
No first. And I won't go and see my Asuama. Asuama.
We know they sell Asu.
No, I mean Asuama, my Asuama.
You Asuama. She be your Asuama.
Okay. She be my girlfriend. I be our friend. So together we are. You know now?
No.
You understand?
Me understand. Make I go call her come.
Okay.
What be your name?
Just tell her. Meat pie. Meat pie.
Meat pie.
Yes.
Why we can name be that one?
Okay, no worry. Now waiting she they call me. Me I they call am sweet pie. How I do?
Okay, meat pie.
Hey.
Make I go call sweet pie.
Young you. Tell her.
Where you they go? No, come inside. Guy just buy new dog, and the dog be like lion. Oh.
Okay,
wait, make I call him.
No problem now. I go wait outside. I will give you some from a tambourine.
Baby, you are just doing it wildly and jejely. That one is good, though. In fact, it reminds me of the massage that I had on Monday, 1st October 2018 in Las Vegas. Yeah, but that was before I got married to you.
But we're dating then?
We were dating, but at least it didn't go that far, you know. It's just a massage. In fact, I was even thinking of taking you along with me to the same massage spot again in Las Vegas. But this time around, it's going to be in October, 1st October, on Thursday, 1st October, 2020.
Okay. Can't wait.
Yes, now. Even we are going to go there with some other billionaires, like Emeko Tiwa, Quincy Nippon.
Wow.
You money them. You know them now. They are my very good friends. You are supposed to know them.
That will be fun.
Yes. You get the point now. But I would love to change your wardrobe before then.
Yeah, darling, it's really, really necessary.
Which of the designer do you want? Do you want Dorsey and Gucci and Bananga? What do you call it again? Dorsey and Gabbana.
Gabbana.
Gabbana Nedu. Yes, now. It is it. You like it, eh?
Yes.
I'm going to do that for you. Even I'm thinking of procuring more 4 private jets that we are going to use to make that trip one for you. Then 3 for me and some other billionaire friends.
Can I call my friends?
Yeah, friends. There is no problem. Anything for you. So long as they are not going to sip us, I mean, sip my friends.
Asuama. Just come one give adult high blood pressure. Just one kill person like that. That was I listen to my doctor. If I don't think too much, you know, if I think too much, I will just drop dead. When somebody will just okay. Thank you. Yes, good evening. Welcome. But I think say you go call Asuama for me.
Make I go call Asuama. Wait, come my job as security for this house.
You be security.
So hello, well done. How are you? Why they laugh? Waiting funny for all the things we talk now. Waiting funny.
You say na security.
So if na security, that one come funny. Abi, who you dey find?
My baby girl.
Your baby girl. Asuama Abi. Now you talk say na she be your sweet pie.
Yes.
Meat pie Abi.
Na me be meat pie.
Okay, now you be meat pie, she be sweet pie. I don't hair grow.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Alright, so you want see her Abi?
Yes.
Okay. No wahala now. Come inside.
Come do waiting.
Make you enter now.
For waiting. You know say Oga dey house. And Madam go vex. Me I no want the one where they go take break my head or break my hand again. I know they follow you do all this kind of play.
So now why they shout on me now? Abi, I dey follow you talking, they shout on. I dey follow you talking, they shout on me. Okay. Shebi you want enter Abi? No one I go enter na shebi olórí Okpe ni. Kò sí wèrè. Gbogbo ẹ máa yí ẹ sìn. O ṣá fẹ́ wọlé. What you talk?
No, I just say God bless you.
Okay, God bless you too. Ìwọ mú alẹ́ ní ìyá ẹ̀. O ṣá fẹ́ rí Asuama. Kò sí wèrè ìyá tó máa jẹ orí ìyá ẹ̀ lé níwá àwọn bó ṣe. I say God bless you too. Come inside. Come inside, no worry. Shebi na your girlfriend you wan see. No worry, you go stay. You fit stay here. You know say night don dey come. You fit sleep here with your girlfriend. You go tomorrow morning. You dey hear that?
You be very correct person.
I be correct person, you don't know.
Wetin be that name again?
No mind na Gary.
Wetin be that name?
Shaggi, number one fan bag, Melody Pop, Blasky boy.
Shaggi,
My tea, meat pie, egg roll.
Very correct person. Very correct.
Welcome. You know what? Leave this one. Go sit down. Feel free, feel at home. No worry, sit down.
Make I see that.
Meat pie.
Shaggi.
Well done, Gami. See, no worry. Anything will sit down. No worry. Enjoy. You dey fear. Now you ask now. No be Asuama you dey look for.
Yes.
Asuama na our person for here. I will take care of you. Wetin you dey drink? Which one be anything wey you dey drink wey you talk? If na water we get am. If na juice, you want juice?
I know they do like sugar.
So okay, make I give you blood tonic in that.
Tonic.
I be tonic water.
Tonic. Then you need tonic.
Oh yeah. Give tonic water.
Where you dey go?
I wan go call Asuama.
You wan go do wetin?
I go away. Come out for road, job.
What? She tell you she get boyfriend.
So my friend, something you worry here. Go give her tonic water. Okay? No worry, we I call Asuama.
Thank you. God bless you.
I got
Asuama, woman, dead there. Hey, see Asuama. Thank you. And so all these people, we won't get anything. Come somebody else, they vex for another person, we won't come. Tony. Right, I will go. That's what I'm going to enjoy for this house. See house. Come to my damn. Make it give over. House well painted.
Don't embarrass me.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Where are your manners? Why did you rudely interrupt us like that?
Sorry, I don't interrupt you. I don't know.
And where's your shirt?
The way we for last night is spoiled out.
So you have only one shirt, Shaggi?
The main one, dirty, but I will wash out tomorrow.
Maybe pipe low, or don't mind him.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah. Original Blaskem one.
Yeah, got me.
Yes. Thank you, man.
Keleki can give your man. It's up to God. So you don't know say me as Abi Igbo. I dey live for Ngwa Road for Aba before. My friends, all of them, they make kind of the sales paper. You don't know what they call me? Shishi. Chinyere.
Broda Shaggi, you are just a clown.
Thank you, sir.
You are just a funny man. So, Broda Shaggi, what brings you to my upper echelon?
Upper echelon. Oh, upper echelon. Sorry, I know you. That's all he did. That.
What brings you here?
Oh, okay. Yes, I have a guess.
A what?
A guess.
A guest.
Yeah, a guess.
What kind of guest will be looking for me by this time of the day without a prior info? You say he is where?
He's inside the parlor. I tell him to wait there.
What is his name?
He say
Inyang.
no be Inyang. I know Inyang. No be Inyang.
Obi Jackson.
No be Obi Jackson.
It must be Obiness Oil.
Billionaire oil.
And baby, you know my phone has been switched off all this while because of the poor masses and their disturbance. Here, he must have been calling me. Is he dark?
He's the one. Yes, I think he's him. He's the one.
He's dark.
Yeah, he's black.
He's tall.
He's tall.
Oh,
he's the one. He's the one.
Hey, Obiness. Okay, that's fine. He's not even my old time friend though. He's a business partner.
Now I rush. Come see, make I call tell you.
That's fine. Let me go and see Obiness Oil. Broda Shaggi, that one is a nice one of you. Maybe I'll make you soon. You got to the point now.
Thank you, sir. Yes. I want to go and test something for backyard. Yeah, because I hear any noise.
In my backyard?
Yeah, it's all those two people that I used to play.
Yeah, that's fine.
They don't play football inside our compass. So I go. What the fuck?
Okay. No, sorry, you don't mind me. My phone has been off for a long time. Okay.
Yeah,
for keeping you waiting away. No, these poor masses and their problems. That was why.
Good evening, sir. So I didn't know that I was when I come and I saw they told me that I didn't know. Sir?
Who are you?
That's what I'm trying to explain, that I didn't know.
Who are you?
I couldn't beat myself and I
Shaggi!
One boy with the live for Mushin Losha. In him na Shaggi, the walkie kakaraka. But he gets madness where they put him for Palava. If he see Shaggi, make it jump back, Shaggi na tailor, Shaggi na carpenter. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi na husband, Shaggi na driver. Shaggi na trouble, Shaggi no the Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava. Shaggi Palava.